5:32 a.m. here in New York. It's Monday, June 18th. Good morning, everybody. I'm Cheryl Casoni.
And good morning. I'm Jerry Willis.
Hashtag no more. Good tease. I'm looking forward to that.
Yes,
story.
I know. Well, barely made it through that one.
I know.
Squeaked by.
It's going to be good. Well, FBI Director Christopher Wray and Inspector General Michael Horowitz heading to the hot seat today. They're going to appear before the Senate Judiciary Committee this afternoon to answer questions about the IG report that sharply criticized the FBI's handling of the Clinton email investigation. And now one of the FBI agents at the center of the controversy, Peter Strzok, says he's ready to testify, too. For more on all of this, let's bring in attorney and former prosecutor David Bruno. David, good morning.
Good morning.
Why would Peter Strzok agree to testify?
Because he has no choice, really.
Oh,
I mean, he's getting out in front of it here. Representative Goodlatte over the weekend says they've been trying to get him in front of Congress for a while now. And I think that it was inevitable. His attorneys understood that. That's why they came out this weekend and said he's not going to take the fifth. He's not going to request immunity. He's going to try to repair his reputation, which I think is impossible.
I mean, this is the guy, and I don't have the tweet to show our viewers, but this is the guy that said, no, we're going to stop it. That was
right.
One of the text messages to his girlfriend about President Trump. Anyway,
right.
Bias is going to be the big question today. Was there bias at the FBI against then candidate Trump? But I want you to listen to what Trey Gowdy had to say about what he's looking for.
And I have never seen this level of bias. So you have Peter Strzok, who can't think of a single American who can vote for Donald Trump, and you got Peter Strzok who says, we'll stop it. The campaign and the presidency will stop the campaign, and then if that doesn't work, the day after the election, he's talking about impeachment. So how would you like that to be your lead investigator?
Yeah, I mean, that's the question here. Where are they going to take it after today's Senate Judiciary Committee? Trey Gowdy, fired up, and that was a little preview of what we're going to get later on.
Oh, yeah. You can expect that today. There's going to be a lot of theater today. I don't think we're going to get any new information, though. That report, the IG report, Horowitz report, very thorough, over 500 pages. And I think that it's going to be a lot about, hey, if you found bias, how could you come to the ultimate opinion that nothing was actually done or nothing was illegal?
Yeah, but I want to move on to, speaking of bias, I want to move on to what earlier in the show we heard from Devin Nunes. He was on with Maria Bartiromo yesterday morning, and he was talking about these documents that he's been waiting on with regards to the Russia investigation, still waiting. At this point, they're talking about possible contempt of Congress if the DOJ doesn't produce these documents. Like now, they want them now. I mean, who's in contempt? Is that Attorney General Jeff Sessions? Is that Rosenstein? I mean, who is it? Who's in contempt here?
Well, on the Russian interference documents, I don't think it'd be Sessions because he's already recused himself.
Okay.
There are a number of different issues. There's Clinton documents, there's the FISA warrant, and there's documents related to the firing of McCabe. So what could happen is, yes, Congress can find either one of them in contempt. This actually happened in 2012, 2013, and 2014 with Eric Holder. Congress found him in contempt. It was Amy Berman Jackson, actually the same judge in the Manafort case, that did not find contempt. So that is a way to go. They could also hold somebody for impeachment proceedings. That would also start in the Congress. They do have some steps that they could take. It sounds like after the Friday meeting and the statements coming out this weekend by Nunes that something may happen if they don't get the documents this week.
Yeah, Nunes not letting this go. We'll see. I mean, it seems like the deadline is, well, today, now. David Bruno, thanks for that. Hopefully we'll have more to chew on tomorrow after this hearing. Thanks, David.
Absolute pleasure as always.
No doubt you will have more to chew.